In this video, I will show you how to count cells equal to this or that in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing color names. I want to count cells containing either red or blue text values. We can use the COUNTIF function to count the cells equal to one value or another value. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that match the specified criteria. We need to specify the range of the cells as the first argument and match criteria as the second argument. So let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTIF and then an opening bracket. Let's select the range of the cells containing the data as the first argument. Type the first value as the criteria. In our case, it will be red text in double quotes. This formula will give us the count of cells equal to the red text. Now, I will simply add the count of cells equal to the other text that is blue to this count. As you can see, we now have the count of cells equal to this or that. This formula works, but it is not the best we can come up with. Let's change the formula a little bit. This time, instead of taking two separate counts and adding them together, I am going to provide an array of two values in the COUNTIF function like this. This formula will return an array of two elements where the first element is the count of cells having the first value that is red, and the second element is the count of cells equal to the second value, which is blue. Finally, we can pass this array as an argument to the sum product function like this to sum it up. As you can see, we now have a count of cells equal to one value or another. Even though the COUNTIF function is specifically meant for specifying multiple conditions, we cannot use that here because all the specified conditions are applied using the AND operator, and what we need here is the OR operator. We can also use this sum product formula to count the cells equal to this or that. Here, the B3 to B7 is equal to red and blue part of the formula returns an array of 5 rows and 2 columns. We can verify that by selecting that part of the formula and pressing F9 on the keyboard. Each row of the array represents the cell and each column represents if the value element is equal to that cell or not. For example, the first true and false value represents whether the first cell of the data is equal to red or blue. Since it is equal to red, the first column has the true value and the second column has the false value. For the sum product function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. Once it is done, the sum product function returns the sum of the array elements, which is 3. Watch this video to learn how to count specific characters in a range of cells in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.